Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a PDF in AppSheet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on AppSheet, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, as you can see, AppSheet is one of the best platform you can use to create web applications or mobile application. It's up to you if you want to create this. And it uses mainly data source like Google Drive, Office 365, and yeah, this is a Google app sheet. So yeah, if you want to create an account on AppSheet, you can just go to this link appsheet.com, log in your Google account, or you can go itself to Google itself and go to manage account, and right there on the app list along with other Google applications like Google Tasks, whatever like that, you can see AppSheet. So after you go to this website, log in your Google account, and you will be redirected to this page right here. So now, how to create a PDF. So you can see PDF in AppSheet. You can create PDF by using automation. So what we call automation. So if you want, let's just create an application first. So click create right here on the top side. Go to app, and right here you can start with a template, and you can also create a blank app, or you can import existing application to your app sheet. So now I'm just going to go with start with the templates because it's easier. So now right here you can just scroll down and find some templates or website templates, web application templates that you can use. And for me, I'm just going to go with Kanban board. So you can preview it or you can copy it. So for now, I'm just going to copy it. So after you're copying the app, you will be redirected again on your dashboard. So you can see it starts syncing with your application. So let's just wait until it's 100%. And as you can see, this is how it would look like. This is how it would look like on cell phone, on laptop. This is how it would look like on desktop right here. And yeah, you can see the preview right here, and the app itself right here. This is how it would look. So as you can see, they can you in here in this application, you can manage your project. It's like a managing it's like a workspace that you can, if you're having a business, this is some workplace to do to manage your team and manage some tasks. So yeah, we would not go discuss this furthermore. So what we're going to do, since this application is already linked in my app sheet, so now I'm going to go to this automation right here on the left side. So there's a bunch of settings or tabs that you can go to, and it's up to you if you want to explore this. But if you want to create a PDF, or if you want to since it is a website, so you can directly create a PDF in AppSheet, so you need automation to do so. So go to automation right here, and you need to create a bot. So if you want to create a bot, just click create my first automation, and as you can see, you need to add a new bot, and you can start suggesting an automation flow for your new bot. So for example, when for example you there's a recommended command that you can use: when a notes record is updated, send a notification; when a project's record is updated, send a notification. But for now, I'm just going to edit this one: a project record is updated, and let's uh yeah, projects if when a project's record is updated, let's change the process into send create a PDF. Let's type create a PDF. So let's just name this first create a PDF. So we would not uh it would not be messy. And after that, as you can see, just go with a custom task. And right here, after you click custom task right here, there will be a settings right on the right side where you can choose its process. So as you can see, there will be a send an email, send a notification, send an SMS, call the webhook, call a script. But now, since we're creating PDF, we will use create a new file. So after you click that, you will be need to choose what type of content you will create. So You can create CSV, HTML, JSON, XML, ICS calendar. But for now, since we need to create PDF, let's choose PDF. So you can now use a template file. So now you need to have a template file to use for your PDF. So if you already created templates on Word itself and convert it to PDF, yeah, it's better since you need to choose a file in order, or you need to choose a source, and which is a file. So you need to add a file right here. So yeah, you can do so. You can add a file or you can create itself. So you can create a template itself. So just click create, and right here the app sheet itself will create the templates for you. So it's much easy. You can view it if you want. So this is how it would look like. So this is how it would look like. So right here you can edit this if you want. You can edit this templates. You can customize it furthermore, but this is how it would look like. So yeah, after you're done with this, after you've done customizing this one, there will be more options that you can enable, or you can go to file store. You can save your files in the cloud file system, and it is associated with your apps or with your account itself, and you can explicitly add a file store and use it instead. And also you can add a file folder path to choose a relative folder path where the files would be saved. And also the file name prefix, you can edit this one, disables timestamp, etc, etc. It's up to you. Customize custom margins, and there will be also an advanced settings that you can put. But right here, yeah, as you can see, you can edit this templates right here, and it's up to you. And you can just make this more intuitive, make this more uh how do you call this, presentable, so that yeah, when the Kaban board create a PDF, it's good. So yeah, that's it. So right here, as you can see, this is the process. So after a project's record is updated, this process will be run will run. It will create a PDF, and yes, that's it. You can just save it, and right here on your website, it's already saved and it's already running. So you can just go to you can just save your website, or you can save your web application, and then when a project is updated, uh, any project is updated, it will record it and it will create a PDF about the record on the record. And yes, that's it. That's how you can create PDF on AppSheet. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.